Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Instagram username. Watch this video until the very end so that you won't make mistake in the process. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app. Now tap on person icon on the bottom right of your screen. From there, tap on edit profile button. Now tap on username. Remove your current username and type the username you want to change to. The username you have typed in must be unique one. After you type in your new username, tap on check button. As soon as you do that, your username will be changed. But keep in mind that once you change your username, you cannot change your username for 2 weeks. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit notification bell so that you will never miss any future upcoming videos.